I don't know if it was that he was tricking me or if he didn't.
Yeah, I'm confused. See if I understand. Excuse me.
Where I have to reside now.
Hey, don't talk over me, please. Please don't. Are you selling the marital home?
I actually didn't realize it was so far behind. I went to foreclosure.
Answer my question. Are you selling a marital home?
Yes.
Yes or no? Then you may not. This file is numbered 261752DO, and it's captioned Darlene Walker Brewer versus William Brewer. It looks like we have the parties here today. Miss William Brewer has filed a complaint for divorce, naming Mr. William Brewer, her husband, as a defendant. This was filed on April 20th of the year 2026. And she's also asking the court for some form of relief for Mr. Brewer to prevent him from disposing of marital property. Ms. Walker Brewer, would you join me at the podium, please, if it wouldn't be too much trouble? I see you got a walker there. Are you able to do it, or?
Yeah.
Thank you. Is that convenient for you?
Yes.
Would you raise your right hand with me, please? And do you promise that you will tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, I do.
Thank you. You can put your hand down, but try to keep your voice up. Ma'am, I don't see in the file that you served your husband with a complaint for divorce.
I have not yet.
Okay, well, you got to take care of that, right? If he's here, which is a good thing, but if he didn't appear, then I couldn't help you because he hasn't been served with a complaint or with what we're trying to do here today. So you'll have to take care of that.
Okay. They didn't tell me the order to do it, so.
Pardon me?
I wasn't told the order to do it, so I didn't know that this would come first.
We can't give you legal advice. You just got to figure that stuff out. Anytime you come to court, you have to prove to us that you let the other side know that they have to come to court. And you prove that by filing what's called a proof of service. And you have to do that every single time. Plus, I need a proof of service that you served him with the complaint for divorce.
Yes.
Okay, so what can we do for you today?
I was told to file this motion so that it would stop any spending of the property.
Okay, but I'm not asking what you were told. I'm asking, what do you need? What can we do for you? Do you only have you didn't even tell me what's going on. You just said a motion to, let's see, restraining order for marital property. That's really all you said. And I thought I'd get you in here to see what was going on, but you haven't really given me a lot of information. So what can we do for you?
I only heard it through the grapevine that he was selling the property, and I have not received my personal property. He had locked it up before we split up. I couldn't get my property at that point. And when I had a moving company go, the house was locked up, so I couldn't get in to get the stuff. And I haven't retrieved my personal property.
The two of you live together on Keller Road?
No, not now.
Where's the marital home?
On Keller Road.
In Holt?
Yes.
And then you moved to Shiawassee County at some point?
No. We both moved to Shiawassee County in 2021 in February, the last day of February. We stayed there, taking care of my parents.
Stayed in Corunna?
In Corunna on Goodall Road, at the address in which I'm at. We stayed there, and when my parents died and it became an estate, the will says it goes to my brother. My brother's going to give it to my youngest daughter that has the grandchildren. She is here today. And so we stayed there, and then he left on September 12th.
He left Corunna?
He left, and...
Is that right? You left Corunna? Your parents
left Corunna.
That's where you were living?
Yes. And he stayed a night in his Jeep on the property of my daughters. And then he went to the house, because I'm not sure that he knew that he could stay in it. I don't know if it was that he was tricking me or if he didn't.
Yeah, I'm confused. See if I understand. That's why you got to file a motion, so I know this stuff ahead of time. So you have a house in Holt?
Yes.
And that's where the marital home is?
Yes.
Then you went to stay with your parents in Corunna?
Yep.
Was that home, or were you just staying there?
We were just staying there.
So that wasn't your residence?
No, our residence was in Holt, but we were staying with my parents, taking care of them, and we didn't leave until my husband left.
So why didn't you file a complaint for divorce in Jackson?
Because I was told I couldn't by Mr. Zaleski. He said I had to file it in Shiawassee County. I didn't know that I could file it in Ingham County until I filed it here, and they told me that I could have filed it there, but I was told I couldn't because this is where I've been sleeping.
But that's not residence. You can file where you reside, right? You have the rules.
That's
excuse
where
me.
I have to reside now.
Hey, don't talk over me, please. Please don't. If you reside, you can shake your head all you want. I'm trying to help you here.
I understand.
Then why are you? Why don't you just go ahead and say everything that you want to say? Go ahead.
I don't understand then. I was told I had to say that I lived there because that's where I'm sleeping.
This is your time. If you've got a request of the court, now is the time to make it. This is your time. Go ahead. I'm waiting for you to speak. You didn't want to stop speaking while I was talking, so go ahead. Tell me whatever you want to tell me, and tell me what you want the court to do for you today.
Our marital home, I heard through the grapevine because I have not received any paperwork to see. I have not been told by anyone about it except through the grapevine that he is selling the house.
Anything else?
My personal property, my clothes, my shoes, my coats.
What about them?
They're all locked in that house.
So you want your property back?
Yes, and I want half of the sale of the property. It's our marital home. We bought that together. We've lived together. We've been
Hey,
together.
look, we're not going to try your whole divorce case today, okay?
No.
We're not doing that. Please have a seat. Thank you very much. Mr. Brewer,
Yes, Your Honor.
please approach the podium and raise your right hand. Do you promise that you will tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
You may put your hand down. Are you selling the marital home?
I actually didn't realize I was so far behind. I went to foreclosure. I went and I had somebody come out and is gonna buy it.
Answer my question. Are you selling a marital home?
Yes.
Yes or no? Then you may not. It's a marital estate. It's an item of marital property. And until you get authority from the court to sell it, or you get permission from your wife, you're not to sell the home. Do you have her property that she wants back?
Yes, it's all there. I've been down there since September sometime. She's only been down there twice to come and get anything.
Why did you lock your wife out of her own home?
She locked me out of the other house.
Thank you. The order of the court is that no party shall dispose of any items of marital property without an order of the court or permission of the other party. And within 5 days from today's date, Ms. Walker Brewer shall be able to retrieve all of her personal property from Mr. Brewer. That is the order of the court.
Okay.
I have a question, Your Honor. The items that are personal also to me are the items that we borrowed from my parents and some of the things that my parents made for me.
The order is that he will return all of your personal property to you. That's the order. And I'll prepare that order. I'll give it to you. Thank you all very much. Court's in recess.